We stay in room number 5411. Happy birthday to me. So let's go in, guys. All right. So as we come in, we have our bathroom. Lovely shower. They give you amenities. Has a handheld sprayer and also a range shower. I can turn it on and show y'all how it works. Hold on. Let me turn it on. Let's close this. Hold on. All right, so this is the handheld. The handheld. That's the handheld shower. And then, can you see the rain shower in there? That's the rain shower. So, this is how it looks from the outside. See that shower coming down and it's see-through. Okay, so this is double sinks. They give you your amenities. You got toothbrush, comb, toothpaste. You got some body lotion, some soaps, other stuff. That's our stuff. Don't mind that. You got a toilet over here, a separate commode with a telephone. Very spacious. You don't have to feel claustrophobic. Look. Okay. All right. So they gave me some rose petals for the birthday girl. Look at that, rose petals. This is your door where you can get your room service. Put your dirty trays. I don't know what this is. What's this? What's this, sir?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
It's a power button. I don't know. Shut everything down in there.
I don't know. And then we have me. See, birthday girl. Birthday girl. It's me. Then we have a closet. Closet. They give you a steamer, so you don't have to worry about bringing one for your clothes or iron. My crayon case. So here is the bed. Got a light. So here is a tablet. This is where you can order your room service. You can control the lights of the room. Bed. They say this is king size, but I'm not convinced, but it's comfy. Look at my heart. Well, they gave me a heart. Say happy birthday to me. So you turn around. This is the other nightstand. Turn around. This is your view from the bed. Got the TV there. Don't mind we went shopping. They give you some slippers. See, that's our slippers there. Very nice. We have Xhale Club. So they gave us a nice Breathless bag for me to go home with. There's your coffee maker. Some coffee. Got some stuff. And then under here, there's the fridge. How you open this? Okay, so here's your mini bar fridge. Some sodas, some water, some beers, as you all can see. They take care of us. Ooh, I didn't close that right. Okay, so here you have little table. This is just our food we went out to get. Babe, can you open the blinds for me? Show them how the blinds open. I'll take y'all outside. Oh, here's a little seating area with lots of pillows. But watch the blinds. Come on. Give them the blind situation. Come on. Come on. Mr. Sir. Come on. What's wrong with it?
I don't know. Something.
They got it on slow motion. Are you pressing the right button, sir?
It's going.
Huh? Come open this door for me, baby. Please. So as you can see, the blinds are motorized. It's being temperamental right now. I don't know why. But, ooh. Don't copyright me now. They ran a bath for me. Look at this. Ooh. How nice. And this is what's going on out here, guys. Breathless Resort in Montego Bay. This room comes with Butler Service and access to the rooftop bar and deck. Booked through JetBlue Vacations. Try it. You'll love it.